Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can use the windowed mode on your iPad. So naturally your iPad needs to support it, but you're gonna figure it out very quickly if yours does support it. So you can go to the settings app like this, and in the left panel of the settings, you need to find what's called multitasking and gestures. So this is what it looks like with the blue icon right there. You click on it like this, and you have three modes to pick between. The first one is the full screen apps. That is the regular iPad mode, similar to iPhone, where every single app you open is going to take up the full screen. But if you want to turn it into this sort of windowed mode, make sure you click on this windowed apps in the middle. And then now it seemingly still looks the same, right? Like the apps still open up in the full screen, but the difference now is that in the bottom right corner, you have a little handle which you can grab and resize the windows, right? So it would look like this. And now, as you can see, the Photos app is now in a different shape. So now it is a little bit of a different behavior for the apps. So if I go home like this, you can see that the app, like the main Photos window, get like hidden away to the side, but outside of that you can see some the regular home screen. So if I, for example, open up another app, it's going to take up the full screen as usual. But now when I grab the corner as well, we have another floating window, so we can now resize it, and it's much more professional, you could say. It's better for multitasking, and you can resize the windows and open up pretty much as many as you want, really, right? So you can kind of have it like this. And also in this mode, we kind of use the computer control. So in the top left corner, we have the three colored dots, similar to Mac computer. If you have used a MacBook before, you've noticed that this is what it looks like. So you can also close the windows like that. So that's how you can use the windowed mode on your iPad. Let me know if you managed to find it. Subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later in the next uploads.